Unless you've been hiding under a rock for the last couple years, I'm sure you've heard of the plant-based diet. Whether you have or not, what you probably don't realize is that a plant-based diet is the fastest growing diet in the world right now. From celebrities, chefs, elite athletes, even fitness experts, everyone is eager to try it or adopt it. And for good reason, because no other diet or eating plan provides so many benefits so fast. Increased energy, clearer skin, lean, muscular body, enhanced libido, greater mental clarity, all-day stamina, better workouts, and more. The list goes on and on. Talk to anyone who's actually eaten plant-based diet for even a full month and chances are, they'll rave about the changes they started seeing in their body. Now, the number one problem. You see, by far the biggest complaint we hear from many who try out the plant-based lifestyle is boring, or that it's too hard. Often, people learn the core principles, experience results, but then get stuck eating bland meals of the same foods over and over again. Today, that problem is completely solved for you with the something my friends over at Plant Based have created, their first ever plant-based cookbook. Go here to try the incredibly delicious plant-based cookbook. Just FYI, the global rise of plant-based eating isn't a fad. In fact, it's filled with tens of thousands of people actually thriving on a plant-based diet. Inside, you'll not only get 100 plus delicious mouthwatering recipes, they've also included some great bonuses as well, to help you get started as fast as possible. Like the bonus, Green Smoothie Lifestyle Book, which lists some great smoothie recipes that tastes great and are very easy to make. Not to mention they have tons of other bonuses, which you'll see on the page. There's even a bonus that helps you solve another big problem, which is how to dine out with friends and have a social life, while staying strictly plant-based. And to top it all off, it's on sale, including well over $100 in bonuses, for this week only at almost 30% off. Want to eat some delicious recipes as soon as tonight? Go here to get your awesome plant-based cookbook today, while it's still on sale. You're going to love the amazing plant-based meal ideas in there. Make sure to go grab your copy.